folks. I'm going to try to make this a long video because you probably know I talk a lot, but there's a lot of tools going to be in this video. So stay tuned. This is my $4 score videos, and my shirt is driving me nuts. So $4. I bought this. I thought I was going to go in there and be like $20. I was like telling my wife we need more money. Got to come back. Someone was just giving away stuff. So I was very happy. I also got to take this stuff out, which is weird. I ordered some other stuff on Amazon. No, where did I order stuff on? eBay. I ordered a couple of tools for the hell of it. And I'm waiting for something I ordered on Amazon last week, and I realized, I sent the wrong address. So anyway, the $4 box is, I'm going to back this up and I'm going to show you. This is the $4 score. I don't know if you can see that. It's too bright. Should I leave it? I don't know. Is it too bright? It looks kind of terrible. I don't know. Maybe I should adjust this light. Just maybe. I don't know. It's a little too bright right here. So you know what? Screw it. What did I get? What did I get in this box? Sorry about the sound. I got a shoe thing here. Let me turn it this way here. I think the size shoes. Probably check what size my head is. See? Head's about that big. It's big. Standard size and custom size. Ritz thing. It's pretty cool. I don't know what year this is. American Automatic Devices, Chicago, Illinois, made USA. Children's length, adult length. I'm sure this doesn't work anymore because I can't even find a freaking pair of shoes that is the same size ever. So I'll put that there. This, when I got it, was absolutely filthy and did not think it would look like that. It's another Eagle can, and it was covered in dirt everywhere. And I liked it because the tip was still intact. You don't get them very often. The tips are usually first thing that are chewed away. So got that. Plus it's, oh, check this out. How many of you people remember Ames? Remember Ames? The little department store? Well, check that out. Ames. Check out the price. I think that says $1.87. You remember Kmart and Ames? Yeah, back in the day. That over here. That over here. Keep that. This is over here. Oh, this wasn't part of it. That was a different run. I also got a hammer. Someone's gonna be jealous. Getting hammered. There's all kinds of sticky crap in there. It's just a standard ball peen hammer. I don't know. There's writing on it. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Where did I put the little fuzzy thing? There it is. Ouch, 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 ouch. Let's look for writing. Let's see. WM. Oh. It says WM. It is very, very hard to say. That's it, WM. That's all you get, WM. So anyway, it's a hammer. Ball peen hammer. I picked up this little bastard file mostly because I like the way it connects on here. See the little connecting to the file? I don't know, not sure how or what. It has a pretty neat little shebite thing there. You put the file in there and you just tighten it up and it stays on. This is why I don't like plastic. This is why I like older tools, because you can tighten this up and it stays in there. So I got me a nice file handle. I'll probably polish this up. It has a name on it. Speedcore, Portland, Oregon. Pretty cool. The file is just a random file, so I'll put that over here. File that in that area. I picked up another little file. This one was just a random beater. It said $1, but none of this was $1. So the lady was like, "Here, take it. Take that one. Take this one." The whole box, $4. A little file, put in vapor rust. See, Why is this light all stupid? I gotta fix this light. This light sucks. Hold on a second. Well, I tried fixing the lighting. The lighting on me is terrible, but it seems like it's better on the tools. So yeah, that's that. We already did that. Picked up one of these suckers, which I would like to polish up and clean. A Stanley number whatever. What is it? Number 299 Stanley. Which is pretty cool. You know what? Let's try this out again. Number 299 Stanley. It's pretty good. Right there. I got this thing, which I don't know what the heck this is. It's pretty cool. It's got a name stamped in there, but it's so small that I don't think. See this freaking light here? I don't know if you can see it on the light. You can see it barely in there. I don't know which is better. I gotta get some better lighting. So that's kind of the tool. That there. Aim it down a little here. See, this light is. Let me try to fiddle with this thing. Hold on. Damn, light. I used to have this thing okay, but I don't know why it doesn't want to. It used to be fine. Like that, maybe? Yeah. Let me put it behind me. Just over here. Right there. Here. Now, is that better? I don't know. You see stuff better on here? I don't know. Looks, my hand is obviously lighting up like a Christmas tree. Can we see that better? I don't know. Anyway, I also picked up a. Let's screw the light. A Wilton. Let me see if I can move the camera. Maybe. Maybe move the camera this way. That might work. Picked up a Wilton 204 malleable thing. What am I do with this? I'm probably gonna have to repair it because it looks like it needs a little bit of a. It's got a little bit of a wobble to it, so I can heat it up and bend it. Little repair video. I know I can get under one of these, which is fine, or make one, and it works perfect. So I am probably gonna make a new one. Plus, the good part is I think this thing should come all the way out. Let me see. We'll just take it out just so I hold it. It's well oiled. I didn't oil it. If this comes out, easy, bend it back and put the end on. Yeah, so that'll work. I'll do a job on that. Future video. Let me lower this thing here. I used to have a better there we go, lighting. Got this thing, which is I don't know. You don't see very many screwdrivers with a square thing here. See? I thought it was neat. It's just square. So at that, let me try something else. Let me try this. Let's move this over here. Ah, it's driving me nuts. Try this, and it'll look like this. I got too much shadows. How's that? Is that better? Too many shadows. I think this light's too bright. Let me move the damn thing again. It's gonna be one hell of an edited video. All right, let's see. Okay. Now, I picked up a highlight bulb thing. Has bulbs in it, apparently. What the hell did I buy this for? It came with the box. See? Came with bulbs. Not sure if you can see the bulbs, but yeah. I don't know, I guess don't close with the bulb in there. Seems pretty sharp. I don't know, thought it was cool. Bulbs in there. One of the bulbs is not bulbing. Highlight lamps are guaranteed against all manufacturing defects. There we go. You can't read that. Of course not. There's that right there. We'll do some editing in this video. That over there. Picked up a BFR, big frickin' wrench. I didn't see any writing on it. At least I didn't look very good. Seems to be a little bit tight. If I can close it, there's a name on here. I think there's a name on it. What does it say? Let's take out the fancy brush here. Let's see. What does it say on here? Solid steel. USA. Well, who knew, eh? Solid steel. There's no markings on it. This is been connected there. There's no markings on it whatsoever. So maybe there is, maybe there isn't. They've all been used as a hammer. So they got the little mushroom, so that's the other thing. Got this. The Ludwig Lane Dairy Co. Please return bottles daily. There's a little bottle thingy, which you can read that on there. Hit pause, you can read it. I'm guessing this is a bottle opener, and this must be to take the lid off the dairy thing. I don't know. I know what this side is, like, obviously. It's a bottle opener. So, I got this, which is a crescent wrench. Crestoloy? What the hell does it say? It's a crescent wrench, USA. It is jammed. It does not move, but I thought it was cool, so I picked it up. It doesn't look like it's a horrible project, but then again, I'm gonna eat my words. So got that one. This was in there. Picked up one of these. I thought it was cool. Just old. Maybe I can grind it down and whatever. It's got a lot of pitting, like it's been through hell and back. It's got some nice wood in it. I think maybe I can, I don't know. It's nice. Maybe I'll do something with it. But hopefully it's still square. I'll check it out later. Got that. Got one of these things, which has no name on it. I don't think so. Just a little chunky monkey little pry bar. Probably a little, I guess it would be a nail puller. Little sort of small nails, little tiny. I would guess they use them for furniture making. The ends are a little bit worn out here. I don't know if you can see them on here, but they're a little bit worn on the end. It's pretty cool though. I thought it was neat. I also got a diamond drop forged, made in USA. Diamond Tool and Horseshoe Co. See. I don't know if you can read that. I can't see the camera here, so Diamond Tool. This one works really nice. Someone's name's carved in it. What's it say on here? SHA, I don't know. Some. There's like numbers on it. Probably a company thing. Got this one, which is a crescent. 6-inch forged alloy. Jamestown, New York, crescent tool. Is it any good? Yeah, it needs a cleaning. It's awfully gummed up. It's either gummed up or screwed up. So that's crescent tool. Doesn't say where it's made. It says manufactured by, but doesn't mean it was made in USA. So it says alloy, 6-inch. This one's funny. It's clearly it's made in China, but it's got a little bend on it. So I thought it was cool. It was in the box, so I took it. There's a chisel here, which apparently is made by the T.H. Witherby company. Apparently I'm pretty good at shining chisels, so I will shine up the chisel and put on a handle. It's got surface rust, needs a good polishing. It's got a somewhat good edge on it. So This thing was the coolest thing, I thought. This is a washer gauge. Anybody ever see a washer gauge? It has like little, I guess you stick it in a washer. I don't have any washers. But anyway, it says He's and Heats Brooklyn, Inc., New York, established since 1922. Manufactures a complete line of assortments in bulk standard packages of everyday hardware necessities. A screw and nut pin washer gauge. Not sure if you can read that, but it is pretty darn cool. Has a standard screw gauge on the back. Sorry for the shitty video. I'm gonna figure out how to change this soon. This is cool though, Heinz and Heinz. That I thought was really cool. And another, looks like chrome ball peen hammer with some fancy whatever. So I wonder whose grandfather or uncle was playing with these things. That's pretty much all I got for you today. It was a pretty good haul. This I'd like to get working. But the little gauge here, this was like prison shank cool. So yeah, that's my $4 haul. All that for $4. Was it worth it? Well, according to eBay, if you go on eBay, where is it? This thing sells for $20 or $30. This little sucker cleaned up is expensive. This is about $20 by itself on eBay. Most of the crescent wrenches, actual crescent wrenches and diamond wrenches, I think were like $5 or $10. This I have no clue. This, they're like $5. These, in relatively better condition, sell for about $20 each online. And the, what do you call it? Eagle oil can, I know I usually buy them for anywhere from $5 to $10 each. And usually in horrible condition. That one's in nice shape. I could probably sell it or buy it somewhere for like $7. Screwdrivers, $2 or $3. This is probably a $1 item in this condition. These, you can buy them all day long. Some reason people think files are no good. I see a service first. And ball peen hammers are anywhere between $5 and $10 usually. So yeah, that was my. In this, I totally didn't even check. I'm gonna hang this in my store. The reason I bought it. This sounds stupid. I thought the reason why I bought it is there's a hole in it, so I can just click it on the wall and hang it, or hang it from my ceiling. Yes, I do hang antiques in my store from time to time. The auto lamp thing, I haven't even checked that. So yeah, that's my story with this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me what you think. And I will figure out this lighting problem soon. Thanks for watching.